I'm feeling low.
Good morning, guy. Today is a big day. Today the Z is finally getting tuned, and I'm going to bring her to a shop in Dallas called AWD Tuning. Appointment is at 12, so currently right now it's at 10:30, and it take about 40 minutes to get there. I'm super excited to finally get the car tuned. Hoping to make about 30 wheel holes with all the supporting mod that I have, and also get some custom tune like pop and bang. Yeah, can't wait to show you guys the rest of the tuning. I will be recording more when I get there, so hope you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, we are here at AWD Tuning. Look at all that Subaru at the Subaru. STI, WRX. Wow, look at that. So these guys mainly focusing on Subaru and Nissan. But as you can see, they're quite busy with a lot of WRX and STI. Here is my car. Oh yeah. More Subaru. Oh, look at this Acura. There is a 350Z right here. AWD Tuning. More STI. Wow. I am super excited, guy. Can't wait to see how much the Z will make. Alright, see you guys soon.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,